Yes, I. Alright, ja. That about wraps it up. Mwen fini AP. See, this thing needs to be changed or washed. But since it's the last one I'm doing for the summer, I'm just gonna throw it away and buy another one. I think that's the 4.5. Ça c'est 4,5. Mon kwe yi fini. Travail. Mwen ken iti we, pi gen a lot. So now, let's unplug this before there are any more injuries from this very devilish looking tool made by the demons. Demonic tool. I use demonic materials on tools. Let's pray to God that thank God that I didn't lose my hands with this thing. El Diablo. C'est diable qui débite diable qui fait ça, soukouyan et puis sorcier qui fait. Okay, so the next step is to wash it, and I like to use a degreaser to remove the metal filings, the metal. Like a damn British. The metal. Remove the metal filings. Pon it. All right, so I like to use this OxyClean. I don't know why. It's like $10, but if you got a degreaser, some kind of cleaner, Dawn, it's pretty good. You could use that as well. So, ba mou komanse mou kay netwaye poussière metal hot sa paske yi sal même kon te we morceau filing sa sous hot fait aluminium là ça il ka fait ça sale comme ça on est pour laver baigner et puis on cleaner on est tout nettoyer pour nettoyer and we spray. So I'm gonna spray it for like a oh shit, come on man. Alright, I'm gonna spray it there for like maybe a few seconds and come back with the hose and simply spray it up. Not spray it up, I mean wash it with some water. Or you could spray it with water. Let's sit there for a second. That's the end of that. Let's get a brush and let's wipe it up. Yep. Okay. All right, so let's kind of get in the spaces here and clean it up. Clean up all these areas here too. So you gotta clean up all the areas. See how dusty it is in there? That's from the dust from the street. That's one thing I like about the storm windows. Prevents a lot of dust from getting into your home. And America is dusty. It's a dusty place because of all the vehicles and the street right next to your home. So it's dusty. Well, the best thing you could probably do is before even sanding this thing, you should wash it. Okay, let's put these things away. Let's get the water hose and clean it up. As you can see, I removed the balusters in preparation for me to replace my stairs. It's under consideration. I don't know what I'm gonna do, either composite or wood. All right, before we do that, let's get rid of the electricity, or else I'll be okay. Let's clean this up and then let it dry, and I'll come back again to show you. Is the water pressure so low? Come on, man. I don't know why the water pressure is so low. Okay, let me check this out. All right. Look at all that. You need to do the best that you can, because this is aluminum. And I think I only mainly care about the outside, so all right, that's it. Let's let it dry and come back in the next say 5 minutes.